Lately, there's been a lot of videos on vertical drainage. I wanted to share with you my wisdom, knowledge, and experience for the topic. In yard drainage, it's not a reality. It's the same reason why dry wells typically don't work for most people in yard drainage. Vertical drainage usually is on a big commercial site. They go crazy deep. They use massive equipment. The kind of equipment that would break your sidewalk, your driveway. It wouldn't fit in your yard, I can tell you that. I did some extensive research. If there was any way that I could get vertical drainage to work in a yard drain application, I would have implemented it for sure. Everybody's looking for that quick fix. Everybody wants that pill that's going to lose 30 pounds of fat and gain 10 pounds of muscle. Well, vertical drainage is kind of like that scam. Now you got a bunch of guys using it for clickbait for revenue on YouTube. I'm going to tell you guys, my experience is most cases, if you have heavy soil, you're not going to get good drainage. If you have good soil that perks already, you're typically not going to have that bad a drainage problem. Now, good soil that perks, you can do a vertical drain to get rid of a gallon or two of water that puddles. If that's all you're trying to get rid of and you have good percolating soil, then a vertical drain will work. But it's rare. You're better off to take whatever money you're spending on that hole, that vertical drain, take it to the gas station and just get a rub off. Seriously. And you have higher chances of getting a few extra bucks to put towards the products that you need to do a really good French drain yard drain, or a yard drain French drain combination, whatever your situation may be. But don't get caught up in this vertical drainage noise. They need to be thinking about really helping the homeowner. That's what this is all about. YouTube is a community where we share our wisdom, knowledge, and experience with true, real solutions to help the homeowner, the DIYer, and the contractor. All right, everybody. Until that next video.
If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until that next video.